Another new day has come and we are continuing the upgrades on the RSX. So you guys would have seen by now the Cusco front strut brace. Now we're going to be installing the rear Cusco strut brace. I've ripped all this stuff out before when we did the BC, so we're gonna rip it out again. So let's get started. Man, it's so good. Alright guys, so what the Cusco stuff came with was pretty self-explanatory. It came with 4 nuts, 2 for each side on the coilovers themselves, and it came with these 2 bolts that will tie the brace up to the chassis of the car. Once you have your bolt slid in here and you've got your nut on the back, all you got to do is take your 17mm wrench, put it on this side, and then start torquing it down with your Allen head. A ratcheting wrench would be stellar right now, which I have. I just don't feel like getting out of the car to go get it. Done and done. Now I just have to tighten up these. Done and done. There she is in all her glory, and to never be seen again once I get all this interior back together. We're going to move on to the next thing, but I really hope this helped you out, you guys. Just as a quick little side note, you guys, the rubber or foam piece right there that acts as the floor, it's got to go under the brace, just so you know. So some time has passed. I ended up loosening the front core support a little bit.
Pain is
temporary.
Yep.
Is that straight?
Yes, sir.
Not always.
Go.
Yeah, so all of this stuff fell out of the seat.